Have you ever wondered what it's like to grow your own vegetables at home? You don't need a big yard or even soil, just a simple method called the Wick hydroponic system. The Wick system works super easily. It uses a cotton wick that delivers nutrient solution from the reservoir to the plant roots. No electricity, no pump. Yet your plants can still grow healthy and strong. Now, if you've been wanting to start hydroponic gardening but don't know where to begin, we've got you covered with the complete hydroponic wick system starter kit. This all-in-one package includes a nutrient reservoir with its cover, net pots with wicks, Rockwool growing medium, vegetable seeds ready to plant, and of course, AB mix nutrients for healthy plant growth. Everything you need is already here. Just start planting at home. It's super easy to use. Cut the Rockwool into small cubes and place your seeds on top to germinate. Once the seedlings grow for about 5 to 7 days, move them into the net pots with wicks attached. Fill the nutrient reservoir with AB mix solution as instructed. Place the net pots on the lid. Make sure the wick touches the nutrient water. Put it in a bright spot and let your plants grow. See? It's that easy. With this kit, you can start your own hydroponic garden at home. Clean, simple, and healthy. Start growing your own fresh vegetables today. Click the link below to get your complete hydroponic wick system gardening kit.